everybody, I am here today with my prize package from Mintay Papers. If you follow my channel, you may remember that a couple of weeks ago I submitted a Ship Wheel mini album to the Mintay Papers Fancy Mini Album Challenge on Facebook, and my album was picked as a special mention prize. So I didn't win one of their grand prizes, but I won a special mention prize. And I say that because when they announced the winners, they said that I would receive a small prize package. And this is my small prize package, which is definitely not small at all. So this box, I'm going to turn it to its side, is about 2.5 inches thick, and it is filled as far as it will go with supplies. So I am going to open this up and I'm going to show you all of these wonderful goodies that Mintay has sent to me from participating in and being chosen as one of the winners for their challenge. So right off the bat, we have some woodies here, and I have actually never seen these, so I was really interested to see what these are like and how they compare to some of the wood products that I laser cut and sell. So we've got, it looks like the house shape here. So it's got that 4 panels on it, which is really neat. And then next, I've got some chippies, and I love chippies, and this is a whole 12 by 12 sheet. This is from the Pirate Bay collection, and I know there are new collections coming out. This is one of the older ones, but also I think this could match some of the new stuff, and I'm definitely going to be buying the new Mintay Lighthouse collection. So I'm really excited to see some of these pieces too. Then this next chippy is a large basket, perfect in time for Easter. Then we've got here from the Tropical collection, and I love tropical stuff, especially for mini albums for vacations. These are such cute pieces. So again, 12 by 12 sheets, so there are so many pieces on here. Then we've got stacks and stacks of ephemera and paper. So I'm gonna start here with this. This is their fancy cards, 20 sheets here, and it's this decorative edge here on the card, and then just solid white, so to make fancy card bases. Now here we have the Paris, See You in Paris collection ephemera. So lots of paper elements here, so pockets and tags and little journaling cards. And then over here we've got from the In My Craft Room collection. Again, we've got some of those paper elements. And then some stencils, so 2 different sets of stencils. So we've got flowers and then hearts and roses. I don't know if these are specific to collections. It doesn't look like it. It doesn't have a collection name, so it seems like it's more just what the stencil is. We've got some card bases here. So we've got baby onesie card bases. Oh, those are cute. So you'd fold them and make a baby onesie. And then we've got the camera one on craft card base. So that's really cool. So that would flip down, I see. So, okay. So, oh, it would be a side card if I would do it right. So there, whenever it would fold over, it would be on the side. And perfect again for Easter in that Easter basket. That would be cute to add to the Easter basket, a bunch of little cards. And then the house card base. So those are cute. And then now we've got more ephemera and paper. So here we've got 4 different sets of ephemera, and I'm so excited about this collection. After I saw a lot of the projects that were submitted with the photographer collection for the Fancy Album Challenge, I could not wait to actually work with and play with this. And then this one's really pretty for spring. This one has more of the purples in it. And then I don't think I've seen the Winged Melodies collection, but it's got more of those aquas in it. So definitely very pretty collections. This is all of the ephemera pieces. And here to go with some of those other pieces that I had. So I had the See You in Paris, and then in my craft room, the paper packs that have the tags and the pockets. So then here's the 6x8 add-on papers to go with it. So it's got a bunch of paper in here. Let's see, we've got 24 double-sided sheets from each one. So lots of paper to play with. So for the photographer set, we've got the paper stickers here. And it looks like there are multiple sheets in there. So lots of stickers for this collection. And then for the Blossom Serenity collection, we've got stickers here. These ones are words, childhood. So these ones would go with just doing childhood albums or childhood products. And look how neat this is. So just the vellum, there's a couple vellum sheets in there. I see one with polka dots and one with music notes. There might be more. I can't, oh, there's one with flowers on it too. So I'll end up opening this later to really look at these individually. But I love vellum, and decorated vellum is really neat. I think this is probably what I am most excited about, is this paper collection here. I cannot wait to do something with this. So I'm thinking maybe a mini album tutorial. I haven't done a free tutorial in a long time with videos. So comment in the description box below if you want to see maybe a mini album with the photographer collection, and let me know, and I'll make a tutorial if people are interested. And here is the Winged Melodies collection. I'm excited to open this up and to see these pieces in person. Like I said, I haven't really seen this one before, so I'll be excited to see these papers. And then we have that lavender Home Sweet Home. So I love lavender. It's my favorite color. So definitely something I will be making with this. Probably, again, mini albums, since I do make so many albums. But I definitely think I'm going to start with the photographer one first. And then Blossom Serenity. So this is more of like, to me, this has like a really nice spring and would be great for Easter. So I might do some scrapbooking pages with that. I guess we'll see what I decide to do. So, like I mentioned, this is my small prize pack that I was given by Mintay Papers for their Facebook challenge. And by no means is this package small at all if you look at all of the products that they have sent me. Very generous prize pack. And I am very, very pleased to receive it, and very thankful for Mintay for providing all of this to me, because it was a joy to make that mini album. And I'm still going, so hopefully you can see all the stuff as I repile it in here. Thank you so much to Mintay Papers for providing such a generous prize package. Let me know in the description box or in the comment box below what you think I should do with some of these papers. If you have any good ideas for me, things that maybe I should consider. And then also, like I said, let me know if you would be interested in seeing a video tutorial for the Mintay Photographer collection. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.